Hey everyone, welcome back to another After Effects tutorial. My name is Pixodin and you are watching Pixodin. Today I'm super excited to show you how to create a hyperdrive space zoom effect, just like in Star Wars, when they kick on the hyperdrive and zoom past the stars, which stretch out into these beautiful lines. It's a cool effect and you'll be amazed at how easy it is to achieve in After Effects. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. First things first, let's create a new composition. Go ahead and set your dimension to 1280 by 720 at 24 frames per second, then click OK. Press Ctrl+Y to create a new solid. You can choose whatever color you want, whether it's light white or dark blue. Click OK. Next, we're going to head over to the effect panel. On the search bar, type in CC ball action. Drag and drop the CC ball action to your new solid. Now we need to create a camera to help us achieve that zoom. Now go to Layer, New, Camera, then set your preset to 50mm and click OK. With the solid selected, we want to adjust the settings. Scatter at around 715 and the ball size to 12. Now let's zoom in on our camera layer. Hit P to reveal the position settings. Set the starting point to -1280, then keyframe it. Then move to the end of the composition and set the position to 0, which because we're using CC ball action, act as a 3D layer. Pretty neat, right? Select both by holding Ctrl and clicking. Right-clicking, pre-compose. We're going to name this stars. Once that's done, head over back to the effect panel, type in echo, drag and drop the echo to the pre-composition. For settings, we want the echo time to be 0.003. Number of echoes should start at 0. Keyframe it, go to the end of the composition, then set it to 200. And we want to change the echo operator to maximum. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more cool stuff, make sure to subscribe to Pixodin. I post new videos every Tuesday. Trust me, you don't want to miss out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep creating.